are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
Okay, I'm also fine. So on yesterday, I had already introduced a strand known as water, and we ended up explaining about the ways of storing water at home and at school, isn't it? Ways of storing water at home and at school. What did I say? Ways of storing water at home and at school. One way of storing water at home and at school. One way. Who can remind us one way? Yes, Governor. By the use of water tank. Ways of storing water at home and at school. One, we said by the use of Gavin, what have you said by the use of? By the use of water tank. Another one. What did I say? Yes, Arwa. Arwa, yes, Arwa. Fatuma Aden. Good, by the use of water bottle. By the use of water bottle. By the use of water bottle. Another one, yes, Hamza. By the use of jerry cans. Very good. Jerry cans. Another one, now let us mention another is Abakar Mohammed. By the use of bucket, good. Akasagarab, see another one. By the use of, speak up. Who else? Yes, gift. Yes. Speak up. By the use of bucket. Very good. By the use of bucket. Another one, Fatuma. Speak up, yes. By the use of sufuria. Very good. Now today, I want just to introduce a substrand known as uses of water. Uses of matumizi ya maji. Uses of water, matumizi ya maji. Water is used for drinking, sindio? Water is used for drinking. Water is used for drinking. Very good. Another one, water is used for washing utensils. Water is used for washing utensils. Wait. Water is used for washing utensils. Washing utensils. Another one. Watering animals. Say watering animals. Say watering animals. Here are the uses of water. As you can see, uses of water. It is used for doing what? Drinking. It is used for doing what? Drinking in it? Very good. Another one is used for washing clothes. Used for? Washing clothes. Washing clothes ni nini? Ni kuosha nini? Very good. Another one, water is used for washing utensils. Another one, water is used for doing what? Water is used for doing what? For washing utensils. For doing what? Utensils ni nini? Hamtu ajui utensils? Yes. Mwad, utensils ni nini? Kuosha vyombo. Very good. Can you clap for your Mwad? Very good, Mwad. Very, very good. Another uses of water is it is used for cooking food. Water it is used for cooking. Water is used for cooking. Yeah. Maji inatumika kwa kupika chakula. Maji inatumika kwa kupika. Maji inatumika kwa kupika. Maji again, water again it is used for bathing. Water is again used for doing what? Bathing. Water again it is used for doing what? Bathing. Bathing ni nini? Bathing ni fanya nini? Kuoga. Bathing ni having a shower. You take water, get it into the bathroom, then you bathe. That is bathing. Now write down these uses of water. Write down these uses of water. 1, drinking. Here some of you don't understand the meaning of watering animals. Wengine mnajua tu watering plants, ndio? Wengine mnajua tu watering plants, ndio? Wengine mnajua tu tunachukua maji, unapeleka kwa mti, unanyunyiza at watering. Even animals are being watered. Examples of animals that are being watered ni pigs. You may find a pig is too dirty, are you getting? Then you apply some clean water on it, then it become clean. Are you getting? Are you getting? That is what we refer to as watering animals. Now another substrand, if I may introduce, but we shall continue from the next lesson. It is sources of water. Sources of water.